Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share my video analysis with you. I hope you must stay with my channel with like and comment. Also share. Let's go started. Firstly, euro euro versus US dollar. Let's check firstly weekly chart. In weekly chart, look here. Price is actually a strongly bullish mode. Price is actually bullish trend according to weekly chart. This move is actually corrective mode. The previous week, I will the previous week I told that if the price continue his if the price continue his um, bull trend, then firstly retest most important zone. That means my zone is actually here because mind it all time if press 1 to continue his 10, then price should firstly maintain his structure. This is why price should retest thirty-eight at least 38% Fibonacci level, Fibonacci retestment level. With that, price is actually this level is very important because many times multiple times price reject this level, and this level is also a most important level because this area is 38.2 Fibonacci retestment level. Actually, we see that our next territory, this next territory is actually here in this moment. In this moment, the single price point is actually here. In this moment, the our next territory, the lower territory is actually here, this single price point, but price is stopped here the last week. In this moment, I hope price next week firstly move slightly upside, then again move downside, then maintain his structure, maintain his going to upward to continuation for continuation his trend. Uh, Here a noticeable level is actually here because this level is also an important price level because price multiple time reject this level, multiple time reject this level. This is why I hope price firstly move upside, slightly upside this level, then again move here, then move upside. Let's go check in daily chart. In daily chart, dear trader, we see that actually I will try find out our territory is clearly actually this territory is first time. Here is a last territory actually here, the another territory is actually here. Okay, this we see that the price reject this level here. Most important, Actually, this low is not a resistance level. Actually, this point is actually not a resistance level. Actually, it's a manipulation. Actually, this price point is actually manipulation. It's not a resistance level. Actually, AM price made a eco low here. Um, if we draw, if I draw a trend line, we see that the prices reject this level. In mind it, if price wanna continue his trend in upside, then price should firstly break out this zone. But I hope the next week price it cannot possible. Uh, it cannot. It could not be possible for this price because um, price cannot maintain his structure for this region. The next week price move again slightly upside, then again move here, then again move in downside, maybe again move upside here, then again moves down, then going to up, will go to up. In this moment we can want in this moment we want to enter in this pair, entry in this pair, then we will find our territory in lower time frame. Let's go in in export time frame. We see that you can see that this level is price cannot break, price could not break in this zone, price rejected this level, and the next morning price move upside here, even move here, then when price reach this level, then we can find any confirmation from here, then we will try to long position. Our target should be here, and if the price next week, if price will price if price will not able to break in this price point or in this zone, then price will must move again downside at least here. Then we will try to short position from this zone if we get any candlestick confirmation. Okay, let's check GBP USD, British pound, British pound versus American dollar. Let's check weekly chart. In weekly chart, we see that here is an important level. Price already rejected this level. We also that this level is actually uh, not fully. This level is actually not fully a structure point, because if price maintained his structure if price want to continue his uptrend, then price should firstly maintain his structure. Price reach at least this zone, then price move upside. But here is the important level. Here this price point is very important. Actually, this point is not a this point is actually eco high, not a most powerful price level, because actually our strong price level is actually here in this position. In this moment, the next week price moves slightly upside, then again move more, then move upside, or B, price move here, then slightly move up here, then continuous 10, then again move in downside, then move upside. Okay, let's check our trading territory. Let's find out our trading territory in day chart. In day chart, in daily chart, our trading territory uh, most important level is actually here. Most important level is actually here. Price already reached this level. Actually, our trading territory and most powerful structure level is more down here. We see that price made a bear flag. Actually, it's a channel. Also, we can call it a bear flag. Our next important level is actually here. The next important level also important level is here in short time frame. If we see that the price rejected this trend line, rejected the trend line multiple time, but price is strongly bullish movement in the short time frame. So the next week price firstly will move slightly upside, then again move here, then move here. When the price move here, then price will must fall from this position at least here. Then we can, when price reach this position, we'll try to get a we'll try to find out our short position from this zone. If we get it, if we will get any candlestick confirmation from this level, and then we must we must enter our forex market for short position. Our target maybe at least here, and then I hope price then move again upside. Okay, let's check our export time frame. Also that price multiple time rejected this level. Our next territory is in export time frame. Actually here is the most important. Price cannot able to break this level. Actually, in this moment, price, I hope next week's price move slightly downside here, then again move here, then price move and upside, then again move upside, then again downside, then auto move side. I means our buy our short territory. Here is a territory for long position. It's also a territory for short position for a very short time. Our next territory, our next territory is also a hair. Okay, let's check USD in S4 time frame. We see that in S4 time frame, we see that I have already draw a trend line in this pair. We see that here is a trend line. Price move downside. Price move downside. Maintain and also maintain a trend line. We see that price firstly touch here and reject. There also a rejection. Also here is a rejection. Here is a rejection, and a little most or here. I hope that our next territory is actually here. I hope the next week, the first morning, price reach slightly more down here, then price move again here, move upside here, then again move in downside here, move here. Then if when price break out this level, then we try to get a buy position or from this area. Our next territory target TP target is actually this zone. When this price reach this level, price again move in downside at least here, this zone, then price move again upside, even price reach at least this zone, then move again upside. If any case price break this price point in 0.65340, then price move more down at least this territory. Here the next price level is actually our next level is actually here, then price move upside. When price, but if the price break this zone, then price must will go this territory and again fall from this zone at least here, then again moves upside. Okay, let's check and JPY. Sorry, New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. Let's check it. This chart is actually S4 time frame. We see that here I have a draw also a trend line this year, and price is actually pushing slightly downside, and price maintain this level, this trend level. This price zone is actually support level. Our next territory is a most important level is actually this price point, and this price point actually I hope the next morning price firstly move slightly downside, at least here, then move upside here, then slightly again back here. When price break this level and reach this area, then we will try to getting a long position from this area. Our TP target will be here. And the next situation, if the when price reach this price level, then we can try we can try we can try find out our territory for short position. If the price reject this level, and if we get any candlestick confirmation from this zone, then we must get a short position from this zone. Our next territory, our TP territory be here will be here. But if any case when price will break this level, then price must reach this price point, then price again move downside and reach this level, then again move upside at least here. Okay, let's check USD we see that is export time frame. Price actually rejected this level. This level is actually this price level is actually weekly strong resistance zone, and price already rejected this level and price fall from this zone. Here we see that there is a price oil price create a triangle, then price break down the triangle in the downside. Actually price breakout is actually here, and price already reached this level. But I hope the next morning price reach again here or here, then again move side at least here. If the reach price at least actually the territory is actually here or next, but I hope the next morning price move at least here, then go move side. In the other case, if the price reach above the break the level, if any case price break this highest point, then price must test it. This price must test this level, and then we will try to find out our trading territory, and that means we will try to get our short position from this zone uh, and I hope price fall from this area or here, and our next target should be here. Okay, I especially hope the next week price fall at least here. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you will stay my channel with like, comment and share. Thanks all.